This is the new Ford Kuga. A top choice amongst European drivers, it's been the best-selling PHEV in the region for 3 consecutive years. Now, with the addition of the Kuga Active series, which has a rugged design and technical upgrades, making it even more capable. The new design features this optional LED light bar sitting between the 2 slim headlights and a much wider grille. The Active series showcases this unique grille design with the gloss black finish vertical bars and this skid plate all around the vehicle. The Kuga PHEV has been very popular, and now it's even better with improved acceleration and can cover up to 69 kilometers using pure electric battery power. There's also a full hybrid version with electric driving capability that can cover up to 900 kilometers on a single tank. Kuga PHEV is available with all-wheel drive options, offering best-in-class towing ability, up to 2,100 kilograms. The redesigned rear end features these new tail lights with sculpted lenses and frosted elements showing real attention to detail. The whole rear end is a lot sleeker with the new design rear diffuser. The tailgate handle has been removed and placed up by the rear camera. It just feels a lot cleaner. One of the biggest changes on the Kuga is the interior. This bigger touchscreen is 13.2 inches and features a Sync 4 infotainment system that's twice as powerful as the previous version. It's clever enough to learn how you use it, conveniently replicating your preferences next time. Speaking of convenience, the Kuga has 5G connection, meaning you'll get much faster traffic updates. And the climate controls are always at the bottom of the screen. You can connect your phone to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without a cable. And there's a wireless charging pad too. Alexa built in is standard, even if your phone isn't connected. Driver assistance technologies have been upgraded, including adaptive cruise control. Now it automatically adapts your speed to the traffic, curves and junctions. There's also reverse brake assist and a wider angle front-facing camera, while a 360-degree surround view camera aids manual parking. The rear seats slide 150 millimeters, maximising legroom, or giving up to 553 litres of boot space, providing a relaxing and spacious interior for all the passengers. Unparalleled capability, connectivity and comfort. The new Kuga embodies Ford's adventure-ready attitude,